Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a speed review. I do have a bit of makeup in here, I have skincare and I have some perfumes as well. And today I have a bit more makeup on than usual and I really like it. I will list like usual down below all the products that I have on my face and as well all of these products. Let's actually start with perfumes. I recently purchased this one. It is the Jimmy Choo I Want Choo. I'm gonna put the notes right here. I am wearing this one today. It is lovely and I do like the bottle as well. In my opinion, it is a combination of something a bit grassy, but it is still sweet. I do like sweet perfumes because of the vanilla. It has some amber in it, so I can smell that as well. But I smell just a tiniest bit of green notes. I really like it. It is nice and it is as well a bit more affordable than other perfumes. And as well I bought the Kayali new kit, the one for the summer, and it has 4 fragrances in here and I bought the smaller size and I'm happy about it because I like only 2 of these. So I don't like the Maldives one. That is with Ylang, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. That is just a smell, a scent that I don't enjoy. This is for sure the best one that I ever smelled with Ylang, but not my favorite. Then I love the sweet banana one, the Maui one. It's lovely, but that one and the lemon sugar one are my favorite ones. But the orange blossom and the Ylang cocoa, not my favorite ones. And as well they are not staying on the skin for a long period of time, so because of that I'm not gonna buy the bigger bottles because I only like 2 of them. If Kayali would sell this individually, sure, I would buy the lemon sugar and the sweet banana. Those are wonderful, but the other 2 are not my favorite, so of course it doesn't make any sense for me to purchase a kit just to like 2 out of 4. Let's talk about a hair product. I recently saw this one in a Zara store, the Zara hair dry texturizing spray, and I really like this bottle and I was intrigued, so I bought it and I actually have it in my hair today and I do like it. It is a good product. It makes your hair just a bit sticky, so it will be a bit harder for you to brush your hair, so better brush your hair really well and then apply just a small amount of this. I do recommend it and it is pretty affordable, so it is a good product overall, but just use it on special occasions or when your hair feels really flat. Let's talk about 3 sunscreens for the body. When I was in Italy, I bought a sunscreen, which is this one, because I didn't have enough sunscreen with me, and this is just a random one that I found in Italy. This is the Nature's I Solari Sun Cream Face and Body. This is SPF 50. This is horrible. It was pretty expensive as well. I think it was around 20 euros or something, not for the drugstore for sure, and I don't like it. It is very thick, it goes really white and it's thick and heavy. It's not sinking into the skin too fast and it's pretty greasy. I don't like it. I did use it up, it will be in my empties, but it's not my favorite. Then I have the Nivea Sun Protect and Bronze SPF 30 and this is a bit more liquidy, of course, than the cream one because this is in a spray bottle. But I have in a second just to mention a very similar product, but that one is an oil. So this one, it's pretty glowy and is not water resistant for sure. So this is not my favorite one. It is applying very easily, very nicely, but like I said, it is a bit too glowy, a bit too sweaty in a way because of the sun and everything. It's very humid, so for sure in my opinion is not water resistant, not sweat resistant or something like that. It gets, like I said, pretty glowy and messy. Then I have the Nivea Sun Protect and Bronze, but this one as well SPF 30, but this one is an oil. I just got this one, it's pretty new in my collection, but it's nicer because I don't think this will be very water resistant either, but this one goes a bit more, because it is an oil, it is easier to spread, and it's not white, it's not greasy or something like that. And I feel like this one is a bit drier, which is nicer because it will not get that sweaty, that just sticky or something like that. So I do actually like this one a bit more. And then let's talk about another product that is tan related. This is the Elmiplant Sun, the After Sun cream, and this is with some glitter in it, and that's lovely. I actually really like this one. It is from the drugstore, very affordable, and it's nice. It sinks into the skin pretty fast. It is pretty hydrating, and I actually really like it. I used it a lot of times after I was in the pool, and it is lovely. The only thing is, if you are getting a burn or something like that, sure, this will calm your skin a bit, but it will not do magic. It looks really nice and glowy and everything, but it's not gonna save your burnt skin, so just apply more SPF. Then I have some products from Laneige. Actually, I bought a kit with these two and the small lip mask that I used previously. I do like the lip masks from Laneige, but they are not my absolute favorite ones, just because you need to apply a gloss or a balm or something and then put the mask on top. That is the way that I use them, because they are not hydrating. They are just like a layer, a barrier, just to have everything that is underneath to stay on the lips. So we have here the water sleeping mask from Laneige and the bouncy firming sleeping mask from Laneige. They are both really nice products, but I don't think they are revolutionary. They are sinking into the skin pretty fast. This one is a bit more gel-like, a bit more liquidy in a way, even though it is in a jar. The other one is just a bit thicker, but they are both very glowy products, so I find them pretty similar in my opinion. Then I have the Beauty by Joseon Glow Serum. This is Glow Deep Serum with rice and alfa-arbutin. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This one is nice. I do enjoy it. It is a glowy serum. It looks nice, sinks into the skin pretty fast. It is a nice product. I still prefer my niacinamide over any type of serum, because that one is controlling my oils and it works lovely for my skin, so it will not replace that. But for the nighttime, when I want something glowy and very fast absorbing, that one is nice. Then I bought this one. This is the Geek and Gorgeous Jelly Joker. It is a gentle cleanser. I do enjoy it. It is pretty nice and pretty hydrating, so I do recommend it. And I would say that if you have a lot of makeup, something like this is too gentle for that. But for a day-to-day makeup, I really like it. And lastly, for skincare, I have the Ordinary Retinal emulsion, and this is lovely. I do enjoy it. I like the packaging as well. The pump, it's nice, and the cream as well. It is nice on the skin. It doesn't smell weird. I do have that problem with some retinols. This one, not smelling weird. My skin looks nice, feels nice. I do enjoy this one. Let's talk about some makeup now. I have some glosses. Let's talk about them. First of all, we have the L'Oreal one. I don't have anything on here. It is only in the shade I Soar. I'm gonna put in the description box the whole name. It is a plumping gloss, but this one is not very painful. Actually, not painful at all. It feels just a bit on the lips, but it is a very interesting formula. First of all, I do love this packaging, but the formula is a bit, I don't know how to describe it. It is like a balm. It's quite unique, if you are asking me, because it is a doe foot, and it is a beautiful doe foot, and as well it is a bit on the balmy side, so it is hydrating. I actually really enjoy this one. It is a great gloss. Then I purchased the Natasha Denona Gold Glimmer Gloss. This one is so beautiful. I don't really love shimmery glosses that much, but this one is not very shimmery. It looks just lovely on the skin, and I feel like for the summer and for the summer nights mostly, This looks so nice in the light and as well in the sun as well. It looks so glimmery and it makes your lips plump, because as well it is a plumper, and this one is a bit stronger than the L'Oreal one, for example, but it's not that painful. It's like, let's say a 6 on the pain level mark. The L'Oreal one is like a 3, but this one not very painful, but it's really nice, and the lips look plump because of the plumping effect, but as well because of the shimmers. It is really, really nice. A bit expensive if you are asking me, but it is a nice gloss. If you want something very, very shimmery, the NYX Butter Gloss Bling, it is very blingy and shimmery. This one, I do like the color and everything. The formula is nice. I don't feel the glitter. It's not uncomfortable or something like that, but it is a bit too glittery for my taste. Let's apply just a bit, just to show you. But it has glitter in multiple colors, some blue, some green, some pink, and it's nice, but a bit too much for me. And then I have a mascara. I bought the Essence Call Me Queen, and this says in here dramatic false lash effect. That is a joke. If you want a more natural looking eyelashes, this will give you that, but dramatic? No way. This is the brush. It is a plastic brush, and this is a more lengthening mascara. I'm wearing today my favorite one from Essence, the pink tube of the Lash Princess. That one is a voluminous mascara. That is what I like. I'm gonna declutter this one. It's just not a good mascara in my opinion, or at least not for my taste. If you want something lengthening and from the drugstore, sure, it's a nice one, but for me, I want the volume, I want the drama with a mascara, and that's for sure not it. Then I have a very surprisingly nice product, and not because I don't trust Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Lock Brow Glue, and this impressed me. It's still not better than the Too Faced one, but this is the closest product I was able to find to the Too Faced one, and it is lovely. The only thing that I don't love about it, it is just a bit too thick, and because of that, it doesn't allow me to brush my hairs very easily. The Too Faced one is a bit more wet, and I can brush my hairs very dramatically. With this one, it looks a bit more natural, and just that is the smallest difference. That is the only thing that I like more about the Too Faced one. But this one is a lot more affordable, and the hairs are staying up, and as well I like that they are a bit more flexible. It is an amazing product. And then I have two blushes. One is expensive and absolutely lovely, and one is very affordable but not worth the money. First of all, we have the Fenty Beauty New Baked Blush. This one is the Fresh Peach shade. It is the velour blushlighter from Fenty. I already said that. This is 11 out of 10. I have it on my cheeks today. It is a dream. First of all, this packaging, the front, it's so beautiful, and it is heavy, and this color as well. The idea of a blush lighter is just a dream, really. It is glowy. It is a lot more pigmented than the Rare Beauty ones. I did swatch the Rare Beauty ones. I don't have any in my collection just because that product, it is a highlighter with a bit of blush in there. I want the opposite, and that is this. This is a blush with some glow. I love it. It is 11 out of 10. I absolutely love this formula. It's glowy and beautiful, but as well a bit pigmented, but not too pigmented. It's just the best. I really love this one. It is perfect for the summer. And lastly, I have this product that I will declutter from my collection because it is a joke. This is the Essence Got a Crush on Apricots, the Aura blush. This is a peach powder at most, and I tried that under my eyes. It's a bit too dark for that. If you have like a medium skin tone, sure, this could be a peach powder for the under eyes, but I'm sure that it will not set anything in place. So this is a joke. This is a waste of money and a waste of time for them to create something like this. I have a pretty light skin tone, and even on me, this is not showing up. This is too light. This is very light and not pigmented, not buildable, and the only good thing about it, it is the smell. It is smelling like peaches. So this was everything. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.